Hello and welcome to another video. If you haven't seen the previous video, please do check it on my channel. So we are just doing a reflective surface, drawing and shading, and as you can see that I'm just putting it up, the space, a lot of basic tone, put defined to be the base tone of the surface, adding a little dark on top. The same method, gentle strokes over the previous strokes, create a depth, create shadows, create reflections, just running over the same lines again and again to create a sense. Let's do this translucent bottle. You can see I've just applied HP and a tiny gradients over the shape. Now I'm going to fill it with the darkens that I'm using. And we're just darkening the edges of the surfaces, fine inside and around the surface. So this will give it sort of a dimension, sort of a movement in the farm. Gave it a freedom of movement. Let's start with another surface, which is a glass metal. So you can see I've just drawn the surface, the top surface, and I'm going to create two lines. In between I will just add lighter shadows first, and then we are goings. See the lightest tone, leaving the white part as we need the highlight to be there. You can always erase the highlight part as well. Just try to keep your strokes closer and not really loose when you're just applying shade. Just move your hand slowly. Shades are still very light. The same patterns are being used. Now I'm using a doobie over the HB. And you can see the stark difference of Dewey, which has a softer lead. By creating these shadows and these reflective surfaces, notice how I darken some of the areas by deepening them. Edges or landings of lurkers, some darker surface, reflecting on the surface. Create a few drawing over the so you might be able to see all sorts of gradient values that I'm placing on top of every layer. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.